While farmers along the Mississippi continue to keep a close eye on flooding and damage to their crops from seepage water, the rest of the state's producers are plagued by a very different problem. Joining us with this week's installment of the Ag Minute is Kristin Oaks. And Kristen, in all the years that I have covered agriculture, I have never seen a situation in which we have flooding on one side, drought on the other, and farmers caught in the middle.
Mike, it's like, how much worse can it get for these farmers? While some crops in Louisiana are drowning, most Louisiana farmers are struggling to get every last drop of water to some very thirsty crops.
These 2-month-old soybeans should be about 6 inches taller and covering the ground right about now. But these tiny plants can't grow without water. This field hasn't seen rain in 2 months, and the area is 16 inches below normal moisture levels. Farmers across the state are spending thousands of dollars each month to irrigate their crops as Louisiana continues to climb higher on the Drought Monitor. In 1999, the USDA, NOAA, and the federal government helped to develop the U.S. Drought Monitor as a tool to monitor and assess drought conditions. It measures and identifies generally dry areas, labeling droughts by intensity. Right now, the entire state of Louisiana is on the Drought Monitor, with 90% classified from severe to exceptional drought levels. With such extreme low moisture levels, much of the state will suffer major pasture and crop losses in addition to water restrictions. In 1924, Louisiana farmers suffered the most severe long-period drought in the state's history. State climatologists predict that this year may not be far behind.
To find out where you can monitor the state's drought index and ground moisture levels, visit our website at twilatv.org. Now on to this week's Twila Trivia. Last time I asked you, when was the golden decade of Mississippi River steamboating? And the answer is C, the 1850s. For this week's question, which type of tree is most likely to withstand a drought? Is it A, the baobab tree, B, the desert willow, or C, a pine tree? Now all you have to do is simply log on to our website, twilatv.org, submit your answer, and we'll send one correct entry, one of these brand new Twila polo shirts made out of 100% cotton. Now we still have a lot more to come on This Week in Louisiana Agriculture.
The drought in Europe and Russia is over, so how's that affecting grain prices? Coming up on My Bottom Line, find out.